Hello my buddies. Most importantly, before I forget, please subscribe and like. Guys, I'm new to this. This is my first video. I don't even know what I'm doing, to be honest, so please be kind and bear with me. So today I decided to do a mini vlog of my potato harvest that was literally planted from potato peel. So I hope you enjoy my video. Do not forget to subscribe and like. Thank you, buddies. As you can see, buddies, I'm still continuing. I decided to take something bigger to speed up the process because that small broken digging fork honestly wasn't doing anything. So let's continue digging. Let's keep digging, buddies. Oh wow, another big one. It has just motivated me to keep on digging, so let's dig. Buddies, please pray for me. I'm really trying to be careful because I don't want to cause any harm to my tomato roots because I really love it. It's nice and it's green. I want to keep it for some time so I can harvest 1 or 2 or more tomatoes from it. At this point, buddies, my motivation is running really low because I'm not getting any more potatoes, but let's just keep on digging. I'm sure God will bless us with 1 or 2 or more, hopefully. So yeah. Wow, there's another one. So it just motivated me to keep on digging. At this point, I'm getting tired because I'm searching and searching. I'm not getting anything. So maybe it's time to stop because I have harvested just about everything. But let me just check a bit. Maybe I'll get something. Let's check. Oh, I'm tired. Oh, okay, there's something. Nothing. Oh, there's another one. There's a small potato. Let's try. Maybe we'll get another one. Wow, there's another one. I'm sure you guys are also wondering why I'm just checking mostly on one side. It's because I had planted the potato peel on the side that I'm concentrating a bit more on. I think it's really time to stop now, or else I'm gonna cause a bit of damage to my tomato roots. Okay, buddies, now it's officially time to stop because I'm just getting small baby potatoes. So let's just fix up the soil. Not fix it up, like just stop. Now let's check on top of the soil. Check. And now let's just level the soil. Level it with me. because I'm gonna plant herbs now, different herbs, so I'll see. These our harvest buddies. I'm really proud of my green hands. God has blessed me with really green hands. My nails are damaged, but when it comes to my garden, honestly, I don't care about my nails. That's why I never wear gloves, because I really want to touch and feel my plants or my harvest, so I never use gloves. I'm honestly so proud of myself. So I'll continue doing my potatoes. I'm gonna wash up my potatoes and make chips or mashed potatoes, or I'll see later. Bye buddies. Thank you. Subscribe, like and share.